Good evening. Unusual weather in Lagos. Snow has been reported across parts of the city. We go live to our correspondent.
Ojuelegba. Ojuelegba.
How are you coping in the snow?
Snow no fit stop the hustle. Heater dey work steady.
Madam, how's business in the snow?
No need for freezer, fish fresh. How do you feel about the snow?
I like it because it sets the mood right. I can't wait to get home and give my woman some hot chocolate.
Where do they stop?
Goat gats stay warm. Goat no be ice cream. Any playlist today? I'm a piano snow mix. Dance away the cold.
Class is still on? Today's lesson is snow science, as you can see.
Aswebi, but padded. Order your winter sets.